Civic, now we in a, come on.
Like, ooh, went from 100 and went to a Civic, now we in a cool.
Hey everyone, I am back, and this is my daughter, Malia. She's looking crazy, but we about to do a traditional sew-in, flawless, because that's what I do. So after I wash, deep condition, and blow dried her hair, I am going in now with my foundation braids. You guys, for a flat install, you have to make sure that the braids are, I don't want to say small, it depends on the thickness of the client's hair. The thicker the hair, the smaller the braids. After, I'm gonna go ahead and oil her scalp. This is her very first sew-in, you guys. And then I'm sewing the tracks in closely. You don't want any gaps when the wind blows. I be seeing girls, I can see what they thinking through their weave, and I don't like that. But as you can see, flat and very close to the leave out. Now we're gonna silk press out this hair. You guys, I have some really, really great hair. Make sure you shop Raeniluvscustomhair.com for quality look. It's butter. Straight butter. Okay, hello. Now I'm going to blend her natural hair by using my wax stick and my hot comb and my flat iron, pressing it out, and look at that. She gonna be the flyest one at high school tomorrow. What you talking about? What are you talking about? I tell her all the time, you better thank God that you got a mama that not only knows how to do hair, but does hair really freaking well. Yes, come on, twin. She get on my nerves, though. But hey, and as you can see, look at the motion of the ocean. It is beautiful. It is lustrous. It is realistic. It is flat. And I did that. I really did it. Slow motion for the camera. Hey! No, I'm just playing. But thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.